Welcome, it's Danson DIY at all.
And today I'm going to show you how to replace these rear wiper blades on your SUV, van, and possibly even truck. So this is actually a popular request I get from family and friends, is how to do this, because the design is distinctly different than those on your windshield. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you get a rear wiper blade. Check your model. Make sure you got the right size and application. There is instructions on the back, however, they are extremely vague. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you find the rounded top. That top is going to match to the end of your wiper arm. Make sure you got the right size. Everything looks like it fits perfectly. And what you're going to do next is just pull this bottom piece and then pop. Now I'm going to show you this again in slow motion so you see it. It is super simple. This is one of the simplest things you'll ever do on a car. So find the end that's closest to the car, pull it towards you a little bit till you feel resistance, and then just pop. Comes right out. So this is all you need to do to remove the old one, and that rounded edge up top lets it slide right off. Then you grab your replacement. Now most of them should have a protective cover on it, but you want to make sure that that rounded part is at the top. You find the groove. You place it in that groove. So I switch sides so you could see it from this angle. You place it in that groove and just go in reverse. Make sure it's in there. And then when you feel the resistance, push down and it should click. That's it. That's all there is to this. Now make sure when you set it down, everything looks good. Take off your protective cover. And hopefully this helps you as well. It's the easiest wiper blade you'll ever replace. If you like simple DIYs like this, stuff that can help you save money and time, check out these videos and hit the subscribe button.